About the pixel art tutorial, I think I found a workaround how to get the upscaled images directly from C4D. So let's try it right now. Basically, we need to still render out the pixel art somewhere. For example, like here, we need an address. Okay, let's stop it. Let's render it out. Make sure you're rendering to PNG because otherwise it can be lossless and you will get some compression artifacts on the pixels. So you don't need that. Okay, so we will render it out. It's really quick. Then we open the new file and we need a standard renderer. Then we create a plane with the needed proportions like 160 by 90 centimeters. And then we need a camera which will look straight onto this plane from the top without any distortions. So it needs to be isometric. We turn on this camera and make sure it's centered. And after that, we just align the plane as close as possible to the frame. And after that, we need a self-illuminating material, standard one, not redshift. We're not using redshift here. We're using standard render. So we just load the images we just rendered out. Okay, then we go to the animation tab and we choose loop and we need to calculate all the frames here. So we attach it on the plane and it's a bit too dark, so we need to make it self-illuminating. We go here, turn on the luminance channel and paste here, and let's make sure we also turn the sampling off to none. And then when we render it out, we have the same pixel art. I mean, almost the same. It's a bit blurry, but if you need it fast, you can do it like that. So we have the same rendered frame, but already at the bigger resolution. And obviously you can make it like full HD or 4K, whatever you need. It's a bit washed out, but you can easily fix it later in After Effects or in DaVinci Resolve, whatever you need. But it's just a very fast way to get the proper upscaled images directly from Cinema 4D. So yeah, thank you very much. Bye bye.